Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from ITM. This is tutorial number 49, and in this video we are going to talk about relational operators. So let's get started. Okay, so up till now whatever functions you were using, they were pretty basic, like sum, average, minimum, maximum, count. But a lot of places we have to do some kind of decision making based on some value comparison. We compare two values, and if the condition is true, then you want to do something, and if the condition is false, you want to do something else. Now for this comparison we need to use some kind of relational operators. So Microsoft Excel gives you these 6 relational operators. These are equals to, so if you are comparing value 1 equals to second value or not, and then we have the greater than sign, less than sign, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. So this is the list of all the comparison operators. I'm going to show you how to use these operators. Hardly in any case you will be using them directly. I'm showing you just for example, but actually you will be using with some kind of function. So how to use it? You say equals to, and then you put the comparison operator. You say 1 equals to 5. So you are asking Microsoft Excel that is 1 equals to 5. Now I have hard-coded the values, but in actually you will be referencing to some cell and comparing the values. So when I press enter key, you get the result false. Then I say equals to is 1 greater than 5. When I press enter, you get false. Then I say equals to is 1 less than 5, you get it true. Then I say equals to is 1 greater than equal to 5, you say false. Then I say equals to 1 is less than equal to 5, it gets true. Then I say equals to 1 is not equal to 5, it says true. So this is how we can use different comparison operators. Now in case if you are from programming background and you type something like this, you say equals to is 1 double equal to 5, like we have in C, C++, Java, .NET based programming languages, they use double equal to for testing the equality. So when I do enter, and it says that we found a typo in your formula and try to correct it, it's trying to fix it, and do you accept this correction? If I say yes, and it fixes that correction. Same is the case over here. If I say equals to 1 is not equal to 5, this is how we do not equal to in programming languages. So when I press enter, and again it suggests over here to use less than and greater than sign for not equal to. Do you accept this correction? I say yes, and then it fixes that thing. So this is how we can use the relational operators, and the result what you get in the form of true or false. Now I have shown you example over here to use numerical values. They are integers, but you can also use it with date. So if I say 1st January over here, and then I have 5th of March, and then I say equals to is this less than this value. When I press enter, it says true. You could also use it with the time. So if I say 8 a.m. and then I have 5 p.m. and then I say equals to is 8 a.m. less than 5 p.m. and I press enter key, and it gives you true. Same way we can do the comparison between two strings also. So if I type over here Alex, and then over here I type over here Chris, and then I do the comparison equals to is Alex less than Chris. Now in case of strings, how it compares the first two letters of both the names. So A is letter than C, and if it is true, then it's going to return true. If the first two letters are equal, then it's going to compare the second letters, and so on. So this is how we can use these comparison operators for comparing different types of data. When I press enter, you get true. So this is the overall concept of comparison using different comparison operators. Hope you found this video useful. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use these comparison operators in different logical functions. So see you in the next video.